In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your step goal on a Garmin watch. For the demo, I'll be changing the step goal on my Garmin Forerunner 265, but the process is the same for other Garmin watches as well, be it Venu, Vivoactive, Fenix or Instinct. There are two ways to do it, and I'll show you both. Let's start with the easy one. Just grab your connected smartphone and open the Garmin Connect app. On the bottom right, you'll see the More section. Open it and select Activities. Here, you'll see a bunch of activities, and below Create Manual Activity, you'll find Steps. Open it. It will show you the progress towards your daily step goal. On the top right, you'll see three dots. Tap on them and select Edit Goal. From here, you can easily change the step goal on your Garmin. Here, you'll also get the option for this Auto Goal. If you turn it on, your Garmin watch will basically auto-update and change your step goal for the day based on your step activity. After updating your step goal, just tap on Save. Go back to the home page and tap on the sync icon. Your step goal will be updated on your watch. Alternatively, you can also access the step screen from the home page. In the At a Glance section, tap on See All and select Steps. This is a quicker way to reach the Steps edit screen. However, if you're using an older version of the Connect app, you may or may not see this section. Now, if you don't have access to your connected smartphone, you can also change step goals on your Garmin using the Garmin Connect Web Dashboard. Just hop on any device with internet and go to connect.garmin.com. Tap on Sign into your Garmin account using your Garmin credentials, and the rest of the process is same. In the At a Glance section, tap on See All, select Steps, tap on the three dots, select Edit Goal, and change your step goal from here. And that's how you can easily change the step goals on your Garmin watch. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more wearable videos. I'll see you in the next one.